What's up guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. Today I have a really exciting video. I am doing an unboxing and a trial and review of the Kitcher 26 Quart Air Fryer and Toaster Oven. This is the biggest air fryer that I know of. It actually is a toaster and an oven also all in one. So I'm super excited to try it out. The folks over at Kitcher sent it to me to try. So it's going to be an awesome video, lots of fun. So let's get right to work. Alright, so this is a 26 quart air fryer. And it is also supposed to do the functions that a toaster oven or a mini oven does. It is really big. Take some of the stuff out. We have some kind of grid here. This looks to be one of the grids for the inside. Pretty big. It seems to be about maybe a foot this way, but maybe a little bit over a foot on the other side. So a nice ample space. It comes with an air fryer. I think this is a cookbook. Very nice color cookbook. See, beautiful recipes in here. Everything in color, big letters, nice and simple to read. Very thick, good size cookbook. So there's that. I guess it's a 12-month warranty with it. This is the user's manual. Really nice package. See how we're gonna get this out now. Alright, so I got this open and out of the box. I'm going to show you guys some of the things that it comes with here. This is like some kind of skewer. And you could use this to do like, you know, if you're doing like a rotisserie of some kind. Vegetables, you know, chicken, whatever it is that you want to do like on a rotisserie oven. You could use this. It's got 2 spikes on the end, and then you put whatever it is on here. I guess you take these off. They have like a little square safety thing to get them off, and you tighten them down. It's got a little clamp type of piece, and you just clamp it on, and depending on the size of what you're cooking, you would tighten it and you put it on in the inside. So let's get to the fun part. This unit is totally beautiful. It's like a stainless steel finish, kind of like a brushed steel. Wow, beautiful. Really, really impressed by how nice this unit is. I mean, it looks amazing. If I had a small apartment where I just needed, you know, a couple of things and I didn't have a kitchen, I would definitely make this the center of my kitchen, since you can do so much with it. You got this, you get a pressure cooker, and you're pretty much set. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in, and then we'll start going over some of the functions. Alright, so before we turn it on, we're gonna check some of these items inside and remove anything that needs to be removed so we don't cook it. It's got a really nice like sheet tray. It's like if you wanted to do cookies or anything like that, you would do it in this. Or anything that you would do on a sheet tray. Let's see how this goes. I think it goes on here like this or like this. Okay, so it slides into one of these grooves perfectly. Okay, so that's great. What else we got here? I think this is like a grease pan that goes on the bottom to catch any grease or any debris that falls for easy cleaning. So you would just pull this out and clean it. It will make things a lot easier. It's perfect, really easy to get out. It has a nice finger groove. So when you pull it out, it comes right out. And then you would get whatever crumbs or anything that falls down there off. Same thing with this part here. It just slides on, and it's like a, you know, like a grid type of thing. So you put whatever you're gonna cook on top of here, and then the drippings would just fall down into this area. This rotisserie thing, it's got like a special part here where it goes into. Oh, that's beautiful. And I imagine that this spins. It's got a little circle part here that spins it, so you will be able to rotisserie your chicken or your veggies or whatever you got in there. See, it just spins. And I imagine that this is motorized, so it will spin it, and you'll be able to rotisserie vegetables, chicken, whatever it is that you want to cook. I think the heating element is right here, and it also has heating coils. Or actually, it's heating coils and an element up top. So once we turn it on, we'll be able to see if it does have them on the bottom and on the top, but I'm pretty sure that these are also heating elements. So it has them on the top here. If you can see, there's a swirl with a heating coil up top, and then I imagine these might be also heating elements. So that's pretty much the mechanics of the unit. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on, and I'm gonna make some waffle fries in here. And also we're gonna do a pre-made pizza to see how it cooks it. All right, so this is so awesome. It has an air fry button here, and it blinks. It's a beautiful display. And it has presets for all the different types of things that you can cook. So right there is set up on fries, and it would do 22 minutes at 400 degrees. If you wanted to do like chicken drumsticks, it would do 20 minutes at 400. If you wanted to do a whole chicken rotisserie, it would do 360 at 25. Fish, 15 minutes at 360. So it's got all of those for air fry, and then you got your oven function, which is a different function, and it has a different set of items. So for example, I'm going to do a pizza, I would do the oven function, and then I would hit that preset. You got like different types of things here, like cupcakes if you're baking, and you got like toasting bread, like all different kinds of things. It's also got a light, beautiful, lit up inside. We have here, if you're doing your own thing, and if you want your own temperature and your own time, you can set it up however you want to your liking. If you're doing something that's not on here already preset, then you can do, you know, your own thing. And then here we have the rotisserie. If you hit this, this is gonna hit the inside. Is gonna rotisserie whatever you have in there, that spit. So that's gonna do that. And those are basically the options. And then you got the temp here. You can turn it up, and the different functions to select on here. So today we're gonna do some waffle fries. These are from Sam's Club, and we're not gonna use any oil on these. These already have a little bit of oil on them. We're gonna use their flat sheet. We're gonna do a few of these in there. And I love that this has got, you know, a great amount of space. And you could probably even add another tray in here if you wanted to. You could do that other tray with the grids on it, and use that at the same time. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna put it into the slot. And these fries, they say to use 12 to 13 minutes for air fryer, and then at 360 degrees per pound. So we're actually gonna go with the preset 22 minutes at 400, which is a lot more time and hotter than what the bag recommends. But what we'll do is, if we see that it's overcooking, or you know, it's a little bit too much, then we'll take them out a little bit and look at them. So we're gonna go with their preset. Let's close it. Let's hit air fry. Let's see how that works. Okay, so you push this button in. Once they're in there, once you have the preset, and it's already going, I can hear it right now. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the light so we can see what's happening inside. And look how beautiful this unit is. I mean, it looks like it literally belongs like in a professional kitchen. The unit is only like less than $180 on Amazon, which is amazing. It's very quiet. If you guys can hear it, you can barely even hear it. It's amazing. I really like how sleek and how nice it looks, like, you know, nice rounded corners. So I'm very happy with it, and we'll be able to see how well it cooks. But I think that this guy is gonna earn some counter space at our house for sure. Alright, so we're at 9 minutes out of the 20, so it's been in there for 11 minutes now at 400 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and that automatically shuts off the unit. They look beautiful already. So this is what they call the fetch tool, and it's used to pull out the tray. And these definitely need a little bit more time, but they are already looking a little bit brown and crisp. So I'm gonna go ahead and allow them to finish cooking, and then we'll come back and give them a taste and see how they are. But they are definitely looking like they are gonna be very tasty. Alright, so with the unit, you don't even have to turn it back on. You open and close it, and it turns itself right back on and continues to where it left off. Alright, so it is done. The 20 minutes are up, and when you open it, the light turns back on. Look how beautiful these look. I mean, the instructions said to cook it at a different time on the bag, but I honestly think that the folks from Kitcher know better, because this came out totally perfect at a different temperature and time. So let me put them over here on a plate, and we'll let those cool off, and we'll stick the pizza in there and come back and give these a try. Alright, so these came out beautiful. Look how nice and golden they came out. I mean, these look amazing. Absolutely zero oil. I did not add any oil to these. They come already with a little bit of oil, but it's not a lot. They're not greasy at all, and super crisp. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try, let you guys know. I'm sure you guys can hear that crunch. Wow. Yeah, perfect. Look at how golden and beautiful. Amazing. So far, first item came out totally amazing. Let's go ahead and try the pizza. Alright, so we have here a Simply Nature organic thin crust margarita pizza. This is from Aldi's, and we're gonna go ahead and try this in the air fryer on the oven setting, and we're gonna use the grid part. So we'll see how that comes out. Alright, so here we are. This is actually, you could do quite a bit bigger pizza if you wanted to on this. Still got enough room. Probably a 12-inch would be good in here. Gonna place it in, close it. We're gonna go over to the oven function. We click here, oven, and pizza says 60 minutes at 370. This actual pizza said 425 for 11 to 13 minutes. So we're gonna go with the preset just to see how good of a job it does. It did a great job with the waffle fries, so I'm confident that it will probably do also a great job with this pizza. It actually did a better job with the waffle fries than what the company had recommended on the bag. So we're gonna go ahead again. Oh, that's right, you gotta press this button in to activate it to start, and it's going. It's so quiet that I couldn't even tell that it had already started. Alright guys, so the timer's up. I gave it the time that it said, and this looks absolutely beautiful. Once again, their time was better than what was recommended. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the cutting board and cut it up and give it a taste, but look how beautiful that looks. 20 minutes at 370 was actually better than the recommendation on the box. So very happy with that. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Let that cool for a minute and then we'll come back and taste it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put some of my homemade hot sauce on this because I love my hot sauce on pizza. And I'm gonna give it a taste. Let's see how it came out. What kind of job this Kitcher air fryer at the bottom, nice and golden. I want you guys to see how good it cooked that. Wow. Really, really good. This pizza is actually really, really flavorful. It's made by Aldi's and it has some nice herbs in there. The Kitcher air fryer cooked it absolutely perfectly. 20 minutes at 370. The bottom is totally golden, perfectly cooked. Really well done. Overall, I highly recommend this air fryer. It's around $180 on Amazon. And I'm going to place the link below if you guys want to order one. It will actually help out our channel a little bit. We get a small commission for that. But yeah, I totally love it. You guys can see it's beautiful and you just saw it at work and what an amazing job it does. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you really soon on the next one.